Have you ever spent hours designing a WordPress page only to realize you need to duplicate the page with the exact same layout, right? Instead of rebuilding everything from scratch, let me show you how to duplicate any WordPress page in just a few clicks. Hi everyone, I'm Daniel, and on this channel I share WordPress tutorials that help you build websites faster. So let's jump right in. So this is the page we're trying to duplicate. The first thing to do, we're going to look up a plugin, and this is the easiest way to do that. So the easiest method is to use a duplication plugin called duplicate page. When you search for the plugin, install and activate it. Activate. Now head over to pages. Over on any of the pages, and you will notice you can actually duplicate depending on the plugin that you're using. So let's duplicate this. And that's it. A copy of your page is already created to draft. You can rename it, you can edit the content and publish it whenever you're ready. Let's say Tesla new sports car. Now let's take a preview. Yeah, works fine. So that's simply how to duplicate a page in WordPress. It's very easy. If this tutorial actually saved you some time, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.